The girl who cried laughed.
And this is extreme.
Here we go.
This is gonna hurt.
Go.
Not too fast.
Want a fun activity to do at home? Sit on your child. Number 2, who cried last. Girl number 3, the girl who cried last. And